Yawning towards a new era. As we transition into a new era, it is normal to face a confusing phase between dream and reality, where it is vital to hear your unique voice. That voice is indispensable, as the chorus of the universe would be incomplete without it. Those who are afraid to express their own voice will try to silence yours. Many friends and family will feel threatened by your authenticity because it reflects their own limitations to be themselves. Currently, many social media act as platforms of censorship against those who challenge the established narrative. But remember that being yourself is your innate right. Do not seek perfection, just connect with your true self. Value and respect all voices, fighting for a world where none are silenced. Continue to express yourself and encourage others to do the same, for every misstep brings us closer to awakening. You are not alone. Full text in the link.